Hi there. In this guide, we'll walk through how to set up and use AI rules in Clevera to ensure your generated videos and documentation always match your brand's voice and guidelines. To get started, head over to the Templates section in the sidebar. From here, use the toggle at the top to switch from video templates to AI rules. You can create a new rule from scratch, or, as I've done here, edit an existing one to refine its settings. In the General tab, give your template a clear name and decide if you want to share it with your entire workspace or keep it private. Next, move to the Content Context tab. This is where you provide a high-level overview of your business, your target audience, and your preferred tone. These details are crucial because the AI uses them to tailor every video and article it generates. Under Guidelines, you can set specific do's and don'ts. For instance, you can add a label and a detailed instruction to tell the AI exactly what behavior to follow or avoid during generation. The Terminology tab is great for consistency. You can define preferred terms that the AI should use and list any forbidden words it should strictly avoid. Custom pronunciations are incredibly useful for unique brand names. Take our name, Clevera, for example. You can enter the phonetic spelling here to ensure the AI voiceover nails the pronunciation every single time. Finally, the Custom Rules tab lets you set overarching instructions for specific elements like tone, teaching style, or your call to action. You can add or remove these as your strategy evolves. When you're finished, click Validate and Save. The AI will check your rules for any issues, and once it's greenlit, your rule is ready to use. Now, let's see these rules in action. We'll head to the Content area and start a new project. I'll pick an existing recording we have ready. We'll go with a how-to guide for this one. Note that AI roles work with most video types, except for simple cleanups. On the configuration screen, this is where your rules come into play. Click Add AI Rule to see your list. You can view or even edit the rules one last time. If everything looks good, just add it to your project. You can even stack multiple rules if you need to. With the rule applied, just hit Generate Video. The AI will now build your content exactly according to the brand guidelines you just set. And that's it! Now you're ready to create perfectly on-brand videos with Clevera every time. Happy generating!